Have you ever wondered why almost everyone who starts trading Forex ends up broke, frustrated, and walking away empty-handed? It's not just bad luck, it's a setup. And today, we're exposing the truth they don't want you to know. In this video, we're diving deep into why 95% of Forex traders fail. Not only will you learn the real reasons behind the mass losses, you'll discover the mindset, tools, and strategies of the 5% who win. We'll break it down step by step. No fluff, no lies, just straight facts and real solutions. So if you're tired of losing, or you're just starting your journey, stay with me till the end. This might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let's start with the biggest illusion. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Social media is flooded with Lamborghini-driving gurus showing $10,000 trades on demo accounts. But behind the scenes, most of them don't even trade. They sell you dreams. The truth? Forex is a skill, like surgery, coding, or professional sports. It takes time, failure, and real discipline to win consistently. But here's the twist. Most traders quit before they even reach 6 months. Why? Because they came in with a lottery mindset, not a business mindset. They're chasing quick wins, not sustainable growth. They're looking for that one magical trade that'll change their lives overnight. But that's not how real wealth is built in the Forex market. And that mindset, it's only one part of the trap. Next, I'll show you how the game is rigged from the very first trade. Ever entered a trade and saw the market instantly go against you? You're not crazy. You're being hunted. Retail traders don't move the market. Institutions do. Banks, hedge funds, and liquidity providers look for one thing, your stop loss. And they know exactly where you place it. They're not just predicting your moves, they're orchestrating them. Worse, some brokers manipulate prices with slippage, fake spreads, and artificial delays. They win when you lose. It's a game where the house always has the edge, and you're playing with a blindfold on. So if you're still trading based on random support/resistance lines from Instagram, you're not trading, you're gambling. But what if I told you there's a way to beat them at their own game, by thinking like the institutions? It's not about finding the perfect indicator or the holy grail strategy. It's about understanding how the big players move the market and aligning yourself with their flow. Now here's the real killer. It's not your strategy that's broken, it's your psychology. Most traders jump from strategy to strategy, hoping for the holy grail. But no system will save you if you can't control your emotions. Greed, fear, revenge trading, over-leveraging. These destroy more accounts than bad signals ever will. Let me paint you a picture. You risk $10 to make $5. You overtrade after a loss. You increase lot sizes trying to get it back. Sound familiar? This is the cycle that traps 95% of traders. They're not losing because they can't read charts. They're losing because they can't read themselves. Winning traders follow risk management religiously. They master their minds, not just the charts. They know that consistency beats intensity every single time. This is why 95% lose and why 5% live free. They're not just better at trading, they're better at thinking. So what do the 5% do differently? First, they treat Forex like a business. They don't gamble, they invest. They don't hope, they plan. Second, they use smart money concepts, not retail indicators. They understand market structure, order flow, and institutional trading patterns. Third, they journal every trade and emotion. They're constantly learning, constantly improving. Fourth, they respect risk management like a religion. They know that protecting capital is more important than making profits. And most importantly, they never stop learning. They rise from zero, brick by brick. They understand that mastery is a journey, not a destination. You're probably wondering, what is smart money trading really, and how can you learn it the right way? Don't worry, that's coming soon. Let me ask you something. Are you trading to look rich or to become rich? 95% want dopamine. The 5% want freedom. It's not about winning every trade. It's about winning every month, every quarter, every year. And that starts with one decision, to commit to the process. You may be broke today. You may have lost accounts. You may have failed exams, blown accounts, and been laughed at. But if you don't quit, you can still rise. Every successful trader you admire started exactly where you are now. The only difference? They refuse to stay there. This channel is called Rise from Zero for a reason. It's not for those who were handed wealth. It's for the hungry, the rejected, the misunderstood, the ones who want to make money with their minds. If you're ready to master this game, not just make side income, but become dangerous in the markets, then you belong here. Every video is built to turn knowledge into power. We're not here to sell you dreams. We're here to wake you up to reality. The reality that Forex trading is hard, but it's not impossible. The reality that you can succeed, but only if you're willing to put in the work. The reality that the market doesn't care about your feelings, your hopes, or your dreams. It only cares about your actions. So here's what I want you to do right now. Take a hard look at your trading journey so far. Are you part of the 95%, or are you ready to join the 5%? Are you willing to change your mindset, your habits, and your approach to trading? Are you ready to stop being a victim of the market and start becoming a master of it? If you're nodding your head right now, if you feel that fire in your gut, then you're in the right place. This is where your transformation begins. This is where you start your journey from being just another statistic to becoming a consistently profitable trader. But let me be clear, this isn't going to be easy. We're not offering you a magic pill or a secret formula. What we're offering is the truth. The unfiltered, sometimes uncomfortable truth about what it really takes to succeed in Forex trading. We're offering you the knowledge, the strategies, and the mindset that the 5% use to dominate the markets. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deep into smart money concepts. We'll show you how to read the market like an institution, not a retail trader. We'll teach you risk management strategies that will protect your capital and grow your account steadily. We'll help you develop the psychological resilience you need to weather the storms of the market. But none of this will matter if you're not committed. If you're not ready to put in the hours, to study, to practice, to fail, and to get back up again. Because that's what it takes. That's what separates the 5% from the 95%. So here's my challenge to you. Subscribe right now if you're done being average. Click that bell so you never miss a step on your journey to financial mastery. Commit to watching every video, implementing every strategy, and pushing through every obstacle. And in the next video, we'll reveal how to use smart money concepts to predict market moves before they happen. We'll show you how to spot institutional order flow, how to identify key levels that actually matter, and how to align your trades with the big players. The rise has already started. The only question is, are you coming with us? Are you ready to leave the 95% behind and join the ranks of the consistently profitable? Are you ready to rise from zero? Remember, every master was once a disaster. Every success story started with a decision to change. Your decision starts now. Your journey to mastery begins here. Let's rise together. Watch next. Smart money trading. The strategy banks don't want you to know. It's time to trade like the institutions, not against them. See you in the next video. And remember, the market rewards the prepared. Are you ready to be rewarded?